if you are given any sentence which is in the form of if P then Q, then its contrapositive will be, that is contrapositive statement will be like if not Q then not P. So and the other one is converse. So converse will be like if Q then P. So here you can say for the first one it says if X is prime number then it's odd. So contrapositive, first I'll write contrapositive of all the sentence. Contrapositive will be then if X is not odd then X is not a prime number. So this is a contrapositive of first one. So I just written if P then Q into if not P, I mean if not Q then P form. So for the second sentence contrapositive will be if two lines do not, sorry, if two lines intersect in the same plane. This is a negation of second part, that is this part. Then they are not parallel. So this is how it is. Now for third one, contrapositive will be something is cold implies it is low temperature. So this is in the form of P implies Q. So P implies Q is basically same as, this can be otherwise written as, this is same as P implies Q or P implies Q, this form, okay, P implies Q. So this is same as this one, so I can write it in its contrapositive. So that is if something does not have low temperature, then it is not cold. So writing contrapositive is too easy. You just write negation Q implies negation P. Here you cannot comprehend geometry if you do not understand how to reason it deductively. This is in the form of P only if Q form. This is also same as P implies Q. So you cannot comprehend geometry is P, then you do not know how to reason deductively is Q. So for this I can write it as if you do not opposite will be if you can, or if you know how to reason deductively, then you, so now I'll write negation P, that is you can comprehend geometry. Not of cannot is can. So this is if you can comprehend geometry. So this is how it is. Final sentence is X is an even number implies X is divisible by P, that is P implies Q form. Now negation P is, that is I can otherwise write contrapositive as negation Q implies negation P. So I'll try to write it that way. X is not divisible by 4 implies X is not an even number. x is not an even number. So this is how it is. So this is how contrapositive is written. Now we'll see how how converse is written. So I'll just clean this thing and I'll bring the question again. Now I said converse is written like this. Now first P then Q is a given sentence, then its converse is if Q then P. So now from the beginning I'll start. For this the converse will be if x is odd, then x is a prime number. Now for second one it is if two lines are parallel, then they I was doing mistake, right? This is again I am writing the same sentence. If two lines intersect, this is Q. I should write if Q then P. Intersect in same plane, then they are parallel. This is a converse. I should write if Q then P. So this one will be something is cold implies that it has low temperature. I will say something has cold low temperature implies that it is cold. So that is Q. I am writing it in the form of Q implies P. For the fourth one, I'll write if you do not, we don't write negations here, we simply change the order in which you write. If you do not know how to reason deductively, you cannot comprehend geometry. You cannot comprehend geometry. So you might have got the hang of doing this. So anyway, I'll write the final answer too. As you are expecting, the answer is if x is divisible by 4, then x is an even number. So these are the converses of the given statements. Previously I wrote the contrapositives.